We actually have 4 kids now.
You're still counting?
I think my brain stopped working hours ago. What if they wake up at the same time again? I knew it.
Just checking on the babies.
Sorry. I haven't slept in 2 days.
What happened?
The nurse surprised me.
You screamed louder than the babies.
They are too quiet.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
Maybe we got easy babies.
Mike.
OH. No. Why are both crying?
Because they are babies.
We are doomed.
Support the head.
Okay. You've got it. I fixed it.
Oh my God, there are 2 of them!
Careful.
I am careful!
Done.
Sir, that's backwards.
Oh.
Oh,
They are so tiny.
They look angry.
They are hungry.
They are quiet again.
That's called sleeping, Mike.
No, this feels suspicious somehow.
You're driving like a grandma.
We have tiny humans in the car now.
You're going 20 miles per hour.
Safety first.
They are quiet again.
It's okay, Mike. They're just sleeping.
Oh no, why now?
Keep driving, Mike.
Why are they always together?
Recalculating route.
Now you recalculate?
It's just the GPS, Mike.
Even technology is against me today. Wait,
Oh no.
Something very bad happened back there.
Welcome to parenting twins.
why is this diaper so small? Why are newborn diapers so tiny?
Because newborns are tiny.
Hey, I'm trying to help you.
Finally home.
If I drop these carriers, I'm moving to another country.
Just keep walking slowly, Mike.
Welcome home.
I almost survived today.
Almost!
Now the real chaos begins.
Me first! No, I'm older.
You are both loud. No touching the babies without permission.
It finally feels real.
We are really a family of 6 now. Did you hear that sound?
What sound?
Oh no.
Okay, they are fine.
The batteries are dying.
That sound was from a horror movie.
You are more dramatic than the twins. We survived the first day. Barely. No.
No! Why are they both crying again?
Because they are babies, Mike.
There are 2 of them. I forgot.
Why are the babies screaming again?
The twins have awakened.
Ben, stop saying scary things.
How does powder get everywhere?
Dad, the bottle is upside down.
Oh, that explains a lot.
I forgot how hard newborn babies are.
But they are cute.
That's how they trick us.
Okay, maybe we can actually do this.
I'm still scared of them. They are tiny babies. Our family feels bigger now.
I think they finally fell asleep.
Don't say that too loud. Kate? Kate, did you see that?
See what?
There was someone outside.
Mike, stop scaring me.
Okay, maybe it was just my imagination. Hello?
Mike, what are you doing outside? A-A-A-A-N. You scare too easily. I almost died.
Mike, where is the other baby?
What?
The crib is empty.
Oh no.
Wait, there.
Oh my gosh.
This family is going to destroy my heart, Bike.
You're doing great, Mike.
I think this was the longest day of my life.
And tomorrow will probably be worse.
Please don't say that tonight.
What was they at? Nope. I don't like this.
Okay, please don't be a ghost. Seriously? Oh, I almost fought a vacuum cleaner.
Mike, are you fighting the vacuum cleaner?
I thought it was an intruder.
You were protecting the house from technology?
Maybe.
Our life changed so fast.
Yeah, but I think I like this chaos.
You're a good dad, Mike.
Don't make me cry right now.
I think I slept for 7 minutes.
That's actually pretty good.
I can hear colors now. I brought protection for the babies.
That teddy bear is bigger than both babies combined.
Exactly.
I made a list of baby names.
You already made a list?
Yes, I have 47 options.
Oh no.
Wait, babies need THS many things? They use diapers every DA?
Everybody smile!
The babies are judging us. They look angry again.
Please don't throw up during the picture.
Mike, did you pack this bag? No. Why?
Then, who put the HS here?
I don't know. This paper wasn't here before.
Maybe it's from the hospital?
Kate,
What does it say?
they are more special than you know.
What does the at mean?
I don't know. Okay, now I'm scared again.
I knew the twins were magical, Ben.
Don't say things like that.
The note literally sounds magical.
You are Enote helping right now.
Who would leave something like this? Maybe it's just a joke.
Kate?
I think the twins have secret powers. What kind of powers? They can control adults with crying. That actually makes sense.
You're thinking about the note again, aren't you?
No? Yes.
Please, not again.
Naughty to go.
Okay. That was NOT normal.
What happened?
The monitor made a weird voice.
What kind of voice?
It sounded like laughing.
They're asleep.
Maybe the monitor is broken.
Kate? Why did the monitor turn on by itself?
Mike,
Unplug it. I don't think I want to touch it.
Why is everyone awake? I was testing the backup monitor. I need therapy.
Mike thought the house was haunted.
He almost attacked the vacuum cleaner earlier, too. The twins already control the whole house.
They are 4 days old.
look, they're finally calm.
They're actually looking at us now. Ugh. Okay, that was adorable.
We still need names for the twins.
Yeah, and no weird magical names. Tell us in the comments what names we should choose for the twins.
Leave your best names in the comments. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye!